Boa tarde deste cyberspace que se transformou no principal campo de batalha do século XXI, onde algoritmos decide truth e artificial intelligence rewrite history em tempo real. Estou navegando através de um tsunami de fake content gerado por machines que trabalham 24/7 para obscure a realidade dos ataques americanos contra Venezuela e Irã, enquanto simultaneously target qualquer analyst que ouse document essa reality. O que observamos não é simplesmente propaganda tradicional adaptada para a era digital. É weaponization completa da inteligência artificial para create parallel reality onde facts become negotiable, where evidence pode ser manufactured on demand, onde credibility de anyone challenging official narratives pode ser destroyed através de synthetic content que appears more authentic que authentic content itself. A coordenação entre military strikes contra sovereign nations e AI-generated information warfare against independent analysts marca a birth de novo tipo de tyranny, technological totalitarianism que controla not apenas what people can do, mas what they can know about what's being done in their name. É Matrix encontrando 1984 numa sala de servidores onde truth dies através de computational power aplicada para eliminate distinction between reality e simulation. Para compreendermos como artificial intelligence transformed information warfare de specialized tool para mass weapon de epistemic destruction, precisamos understand evolution de technological capabilities que enable single operators para generate more fake content que entire propaganda ministries could produce durante Cold War. Modern AI systems can generate fake videos que show leaders saying things they never said, fake documents que appear para come from authentic government sources, fake audio que reproduces voices com accent accuracy que fools native speakers. Volume de content que machines can produce overwhelms human capacity para fact-checking através de traditional journalistic methods. Scale change creates qualitative transformation. Quando verification takes hours, mas fabrication takes minutes, truth becomes temporarily disadvantaged in every news cycle. Artificial intelligence enables fake news para achieve a viral distribution. Antes de debunking can catch up. Creating information environment on first impression becomes lasting impression regardless the subsequent correction. A temporal advantage que enables lies para outrun truth in competitive information marketplace. On the speed matters more que accuracy para determining what people believe about current events. A sophistication dessas AI tools reached point on the detection requires other AI systems specifically designed para identify machine-generated content. Human observers cannot reliably distinguish high-quality AI fakes from authentic content SEM technological assistance, creating arms race intergeneration AI, a detection AI que favors whichever side possesses superior technological capabilities. American intelligence services invested billions in offensive AI capabilities while investing relatively less in defensive capabilities, creating technological asymmetry que enables attacks while leaving defending populations vulnerable para AI-generated misinformation campaigns que they cannot reliably identify or counter. A technological warfare on civilian populations become collateral damage in conflicts que they cannot see, understand, or defend against through traditional methods de media literacy or critical thinking. Kimsenin konuşmadığı ama oyunu belirleyen detay ise şu: coordination entre timing'de, military strikes, a deployment'de, AI fakes, reveals institutional integration, which suggests years the preparation para synchronized hybrid warfare combining kinetic and cognitive elements designed para achieve strategic objectives que neither component could achieve alone. Pentagon e CIA operating through unified command structure que treats information warfare como essential component de military operations rather que separate supporting activity. Military targets chosen partially based on their suitability para information warfare follow-up através de AI-generated content que can exploit confusion created através de physical attacks. Iranian nuclear facilities attacked durante hours quando most international observers sleep, while AI fakes deployed durante hours quando news audiences most active, creating temporal gap que allows false narratives para establish themselves antes de accurate analysis, can counter fabricated content through verification processes. A operational coordination que reveals information warfare planning como integral part de military planning rather que afterthought or supporting activity. Bu hikayenin en şaşırtıcı kısmına şimdi geliyoruz. Target selection, para information warfare reveals strategic shift from attacking enemy audiences para attacking neutral audiences que might otherwise provide accurate analysis sobre military operations. Independent analysts targeted regardless de their nationality, ideology, or previous relationship para any government. Criteria para targeting appears para be credibility rather que political affiliation. Analysts who built reputations para accuracy sobre previous military operations became primary targets para AI-generated defamation campaigns designed para destroy their credibility a través de synthetic evidence de financial corruption, foreign intelligence connections, personal scandals. Character assassination a través de artificial intelligence represents recognition que credible independent voices pose greater threat para official narratives que traditional enemy propaganda, because independent analysis commands audience trust que official sources lost a través de decades de documented deception about military operations, a strategic communication evolution que treats independent journalism como enemy target rather que neutral party que should be persuaded a través de better arguments or more convincing evidence. Technological capabilities enable new forms de evidence fabrication que challenge fundamental assumptions about verification in democratic societies. Legal systems designed para evaluate human testimony y physical evidence lack frameworks para addressing artificial intelligence que can generate synthetic evidence indistinguishable from authentic evidence and sophisticated technological analysis. Courts cannot reliably evaluate AI-generated evidence without technological capabilities que most legal systems lack. Democratic debate becomes impossible cuando artificial intelligence enables any party para generate convincing evidence para any position, eliminating shared bases para determining factual accuracy necessary para informed public discourse. A epistemic crisis que threatens foundations de democratic governance a través de technological capabilities que make truth verification impossible a través de traditional institutional methods. Social media platform responses reveal complete inadequacy de existing content moderation systems para addressing artificial intelligence que can generate fake content faster, que human moderators can identify y remove fabricated material. Platforms designed para human-generated content lack technological capabilities para detecting sophisticated AI fakes. Algorithm modifications designed para suppress AI-generated content often suppress authentic content a través de false positive detection, while failing para identify sophisticated fakes a través de false negative detection. Platform responses create censorship environment que suppresses legitimate content while failing para prevent artificial intelligence manipulation. A content moderation crisis que enables information warfare para exploit platform vulnerabilities while creating collateral damage que suppresses legitimate speech a través de technological limitations de detection systems. Academic institutions struggling para maintain research integrity in era onde artificial intelligence can generate fake citations, fake research data, fake academic credentials, faster que traditional peer review can verify authenticity. Universities lack technological capabilities para detecting sophisticated academic fraud enabled a través de AI content generation. Research communities beginning para develop technological solutions para verifying scholarly content. Mass adoption requires resource investments que most institutions cannot afford. Creating academic environment on the technological capabilities determine research credibility more que traditional scholarly methods. Academic integrity crisis que threatens knowledge production through technological capabilities que exceed institutional capacity para maintaining verification standards necessary para reliable scholarship. International coordination reveals how AI information warfare affects global information ecosystem beyond immediate targets. Allied intelligence services sharing detection technologies, while adversarial services sharing generation technologies, creating global arms race entre offensive and defensive AI capabilities. Countries que lack sophisticated AI capabilities become vulnerable para information warfare from countries que possess superior technological capabilities creating new form the technological dependency, donde information sovereignty requires technological sovereignty. Technological geopolitics, onde AI capabilities determine national capacity para maintaining informational independence from foreign manipulation através de technological superiority, rather que traditional cultural or linguistic barriers. Asıl kırılma noktası burada başlıyor. Defensive responses demonstrate evolution'de counter-information warfare capabilities que challenge American technological advantages através de superior understanding the social dynamics rather que superior technology. Iranian and Venezuelan responses emphasized community-based verification rather que technological detection. Both countries implemented crowdsourced fact-checking networks who could identify AI fakes through collective human intelligence applied systematically, rather than relying on technological solutions que favor countries with superior AI capabilities. Community-based defense proves more resilient que technological defense against AI information warfare because human social networks possess verification capabilities that artificial intelligence cannot easily replicate or counter through technological means alone. A social defense evolution that demonstrates human capabilities can counter technological warfare through collective application de social intelligence superior para individual technological capabilities. Russian and Chinese contributions provide technological solutions that enable smaller countries para defend against AI information warfare through shared defensive capabilities rather than developing independent technological capabilities beyond their resource capacity. Technology transfer enables multipolar resistance para AI information warfare through shared defensive systems que level playing field against technological advantages possessed através de American intelligence services with superior individual technological capabilities. A technological cooperation que enables collective defense against information warfare através de shared technological capabilities rather than individual technological development that would take decades para achieve independent defensive capacity. Cuban experience adaptation demonstrates how analog resistance methods can be adapted para digital information warfare through community verification networks that operate outside digital platforms vulnerable para AI manipulation. Cuban specialists trained Venezuelan and Iranian communities in verification methods that work through human networks. Human social verification proves more resistant para AI manipulation que digital technological verification porque artificial intelligence designed para exploit digital vulnerabilities rather que social verification processes que operate through human relationship networks. Analog defense methods adapted para digital warfare environment, demonstrating que technological warfare can be countered a través de social methods rather que technological methods when applied systematically through organized community networks. Long-term implications suggest information warfare evolution toward permanent condition on artificial intelligence continuously generates fake content that requires continuous counter efforts through technologically social defensive systems. Information environment becomes battleground that never reaches stable condition. Democratic societies require shared basis de factual accuracy para informed public discourse. Mas artificial intelligence eliminates possibility de shared factual basis through technological capabilities que make any evidence questionable. Democratic governance becomes impossible cuando artificial intelligence prevents consensus about basic facts. A democratic crisis que may require fundamental institutional changes para maintaining democratic governance in era onde technological capabilities eliminate epistemic foundations necessary para democratic society. Educational implications require complete revision de media literacy education para address artificial intelligence capabilities que transcend traditional propaganda analysis. Citizens need technological education para understanding AI capabilities que affect their information environment. Traditional media literacy-based in human psychology y political analysis becomes inadequate para era donde artificial intelligence operates according para algorithmic logic rather que human psychological patterns. Educational systems require technological sophistication beyond traditional humanities education. Educational transformation necessary para citizenship in technological society onde AI determines information environment more que human journalists, editors, or public officials control through traditional institutional mechanisms. International legal implications require new frameworks para addressing information warfare que operates through technological capabilities rather que traditional propaganda methods. Existing international law lacks concepts necessary para addressing artificial intelligence information warfare. UN Charter e Geneva Conventions designed para kinetic warfare, not cognitive warfare, através de artificial intelligence manipulation the information environment affecting civilian populations. International legal system requires fundamental expansion para addressing technological warfare que affects information sovereignty. A legal system evolution necessary para addressing warfare que operates através de technological capabilities beyond traditional legal frameworks designed para human agency rather que artificial intelligence agency operating across multiple jurisdictions simultaneously. From perspective desta information battlefield, onde reality e simulation compete para dominance através de technological capabilities, future appears fundamentally uncertain. Technological capabilities determine truth more que traditional verification methods enable democratic societies para maintaining shared factual basis. Artificial intelligence evolution suggests information warfare will become more sophisticated, making detection more difficult, and defense more expensive. Societies que cannot afford defensive technological capabilities will remain vulnerable para information manipulation através de superior technological capabilities. A technological future où information sovereignty requires technological sovereignty, donde democratic governance requires technological literacy, donde truth requires technological verification beyond traditional institutional capabilities designed para human-scale verification challenges. Information warfare evolution toward technological totalitarianism, que controls knowledge através de computational power rather que traditional censorship methods, que democracies developed constitutional protections against durante previous centuries. Revolutionary technological challenge requires revolutionary social response que incorporates technological understanding necessary para defending democratic information environment against artificial intelligence manipulation designed para eliminate democratic discourse through epistemic chaos. Future democracy depends on developing institutional and educational capabilities adequate para technological information environment donde artificial intelligence determines reality more que traditional journalistic, academic, a legal institutions control through conventional verification methods. A luta continua, mas em battlefield onde algorithms write history faster, que historians can verify accuracy, requiring new forms de resistance adequate para technological warfare against democratic information environment.